Communities are like gardens. They require constant care, attention, and the right conditions to thrive. Just as a garden needs the right mix of plants, soil, and sunlight, a community needs the right mix of people, values, and efforts to flourish. They flourish when nurtured with care and attention. Every plant in a garden has its role, just as every member of a community has their part to play. The gardener's role is to ensure that each plant gets what it needs to grow strong and healthy. A crucial part of this nurturing is choosing the right members. The right people can bring new ideas, energy, and perspectives that help the community grow and adapt to new challenges. This careful selection process is what we call vetting. Vetting is more than just a background check. It's about understanding a person's values, skills, and how they will fit into the existing community. It's about ensuring that newcomers enhance, not disrupt the existing harmony. A well-vetted member can bring positive change and help the community reach new heights. Think of a sports team. A successful team is built on trust, cooperation, and shared goals. A winning team doesn't just happen. It is the result of careful planning, training, and the right mix of players. It requires a coach who carefully selects players. The coach looks for individuals who not only have the necessary skills, but also the right attitude and willingness to work together. These players need to be skilled, of course. Skill is essential, but it's not the only factor. But they also need to be team players. They need to understand the importance of working together, supporting each other and striving towards a common goal. They need to share the same values and goals. Communities are no different. Just like a sports team, a community thrives when its members are aligned in their purpose and values. A strong vetting process acts as a filter. It helps to identify those who will contribute positively and align with the community's ethos. It helps identify individuals who not only respect the community's values, but also contribute positively to its growth. These individuals bring new energy, ideas, and perspectives that can help the community evolve and improve. This careful selection process is an investment in the community's long-term health and vibrancy. By choosing the right members, the community ensures its continued success and harmony. A thorough vetting process is not about exclusion, it's about protection. It's about safeguarding the community's values and ensuring that everyone feels safe and respected. It safeguards the community from potential conflicts. By carefully selecting members, the community can prevent misunderstandings and disagreements that could disrupt its harmony. It ensures that everyone feels safe, respected, and valued. When members feel secure and appreciated, they are more likely to contribute positively and work towards the community's goals. In essence, it lays the foundation for a thriving and harmonious community. A well-vetted community is one where everyone can grow, contribute, and feel a sense of belonging. This is why vetting matters. Every successful vetting process starts with a dedicated team. This team, often called the Investigatory Committee, acts as the guardians of the community. They shoulder the responsibility of carefully evaluating potential members. The composition of this committee is crucial. It should reflect the diversity of the community itself. Different perspectives enrich the evaluation process. This ensures that decisions are made with a balanced and holistic view. Committee members need a specific set of skills. They should be excellent listeners, able to discern sincerity and identify potential red flags. They should also possess strong analytical skills. This helps them objectively assess a candidate's compatibility with the community. Choosing the right people for this committee is paramount. Their dedication and discernment are crucial. They hold the key to shaping a community that is both welcoming and strong. Vetting is not a one-time event. It's a process that unfolds over time. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Rushing the process can lead to oversights. It's crucial to allow ample time for observation and interaction. The first stage often involves a formal application. This provides basic information about the applicant, but this is only the tip of the iceberg. The real insights come from subsequent stages. Interviews form a critical part of this process. These interactions provide a platform for deeper understanding. The committee can assess the applicant's personality, motivations, and compatibility with the community's values. Observation is equally important. Observing the applicant in different settings provides valuable insights. How do they interact with existing members? Do they respect the community's norms? This prolonged evaluation period allows the committee to make informed decisions. It ensures that new members are the right fit for the community. Section 4, First Impressions Matter. The art of the initial meeting. This section delves into the significance of the initial meeting, a pivotal moment that can shape the entire vetting process. The initial meeting is a crucial step in the vetting process. It's the first opportunity for the committee and the applicant to connect face-to-face, setting the stage for all future interactions. It's the first opportunity for the committee and the applicant to connect face-to-face. This initial interaction is more than just a formality. It's a chance to establish rapport and build a foundation of trust. This interaction often sets the tone for the entire process. A positive first meeting can lead to a smoother, more productive vetting process, while a negative one can create unnecessary hurdles. The environment for this meeting should be welcoming and comfortable. A well-lit, cozy space can make a significant difference in how open and relaxed participants feel. A relaxed atmosphere encourages open communication. When people feel at ease, they are more likely to share their true thoughts and feelings, leading to a more genuine and insightful conversation. The committee members should introduce themselves and explain the purpose of the meeting. This helps to break the ice and sets a clear agenda for the discussion. It's important to remember that this is not an interrogation, it's a conversation. The goal is to learn about the applicant in a natural and engaging manner. The committee should aim to create a space where the applicant feels comfortable sharing their story. This involves active listening and showing genuine interest in what the applicant has to say. Active listening plays a crucial role in this meeting. It involves not just hearing the words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. The committee should pay attention to both verbal and non-verbal cues. Body language, eye contact, and facial expressions can provide valuable insights into the applicant's feelings and attitudes. What are the applicant's motivations for joining? Understanding their reasons can help the committee assess whether the applicant's goals align with the organization's mission and values. What are their hopes and expectations? This information is crucial for determining if the applicant will be a good fit and if the organization can meet their needs. The initial meeting is all about making a connection and gathering information. It's a two-way street where both parties have the opportunity to learn about each other and decide if they want to move forward. It's about starting the vetting process on a positive and respectful note. A successful initial meeting can pave the way for a fruitful and collaborative relationship, setting the stage for future success. Section 5. Transparency and trust balancing, openness with privacy. In any thriving community, the balance between openness and privacy is crucial. It ensures that all members feel valued and respected. Transparency is paramount throughout the vetting process. It allows applicants to feel confident and informed about the steps they are taking. Applicants deserve to understand the process. They should be aware of the criteria being used to evaluate them and the timeline they can expect. They need to know what to expect at each stage. This includes understanding the documentation required, the interviews they will undergo, and the feedback they will receive. This openness fosters trust and demonstrates respect. When applicants see that the process is transparent, they are more likely to engage positively and feel a sense of belonging. However, transparency should be balanced with a respect for privacy. Not all information can or should be shared openly. The committee handles sensitive information about applicants. This includes personal details, professional backgrounds, and other confidential data. It's crucial to maintain confidentiality and use discretion when discussing applicant details. This ensures that personal information is protected and that applicants feel secure. Clear communication is key to striking this balance. The committee should be transparent about what information is being collected and why. The committee should clearly outline the information they collect and how they use it. This includes explaining the purpose behind each piece of data and how it will be stored and protected. They should also explain the reasons behind specific questions or requests. This helps applicants understand the necessity of the information being asked and reduces any feelings of intrusion. Building trust is a two-way street. While the committee vets potential members, applicants also assess the community. They look for signs of integrity, respect and transparency. While the committee vets potential members, applicants also assess the community. They observe how the community operates and how it treats its members. This mutual evaluation helps ensure a good fit for both parties. They observe how the community operates and how it treats its members. This includes looking at the community's values, its approach to inclusivity, and the way it handles conflicts. By prioritizing both transparency and privacy, the community demonstrates its commitment to respect and integrity. This balance is essential for creating a trustworthy and welcoming environment. This fosters trust and encourages open communication throughout the vetting process. When both transparency and privacy are respected, it leads to a more harmonious and effective community.